Welcome to another Weiss-Johnson.com product video. Today we have a humidifier from Aprilaire. This is the Aprilaire 600M drip or flow-through compact furnace humidifier. This humidifier is the perfect way to get humidified air circulated throughout your whole home. It offers full coverage up to 4,000 square feet in a tightly built home and has a capacity of 17 gallons per day. It also comes with a humidistat control that indicates what humidity you should set your humidifier to based on the outdoor temperature. And it features a full 5-year warranty with the exception of the disposable water panel. With an Aprilaire humidifier, you know you're getting one that is designed and manufactured in the USA by Aprilaire, the inventor of the whole home evaporative humidifier and the leader in indoor air quality solutions. Aprilaire humidifiers can help you maintain optimal humidity in your home of 30 to 60%, which has been shown to reduce the incidences of respiratory infections. Thank you for watching our latest product video. Be sure to visit us at Weiss-Johnson.com to discover the great work our large family of companies has been doing since 1977.
Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. We're proud to be local and family owned, striving to bring you a comfortable home. Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa.